Hello and welcome to our Dolly Advent collaboration. I have opened every day in the lead up to Christmas a different surprise gift from either Jay of J Dolls UK, from Marna of Dolls Rescued, or from Peacecraft Dolls with Tammy Powley. I hope you check out their channels. They are linked in the description below, and they have also been opening a gift every day for the last 24 days. Hi there. Today is the last day of our fantastic festive Advent collaboration. It has been so much fun opening all these presents from my lovely Dolly friends, and I really hope that they've been having as much fun as well. I really hope that they enjoyed the gifts I sent out, because I've really enjoyed theirs. Let's have a look and see what the last gift I have to open is. We have one left in here, and it's from Tammy, from Peacecraft Dolls with Tammy Powley. So let's see what's inside. Squishy one. Has eyes. Oh my goodness, that is so cute. We have got a super cute pig doggy. Oh my goodness. Look at that little perky nose. Oh, that is so cute. This, I think, will be a perfect scale. I have Smart Dolls just off to the side there. I think maybe it'll be snuggled by a Smart Doll or one of my larger dolls. That is so super cute. Oh, it's got little polka dots all over the back and a little black shiny nose. Thank you so much, Tammy. Well, thank you so much, Marna, Tammy, and Jay, for all your fantastic gifts and for being part of this fantastic festive collaboration with me. Thank you all for watching. Please do leave a like and a comment. Let me know what you thought of today's lovely surprise gift. Take care, enjoy the holidays, and have a very Merry Christmas. Take care. Bye.